Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will show you how to reconcile a cash receipt. So we'll start on the dashboard screen and I'll just enter my business bank account to prove to you how I know this is a cash receipt without just going into the bill. So I am in my Reconcile tab of my bank account and I have just spent some money in McDonald's over the last couple of days. And I know that there is a bill in my bills section of Xero that I need to reconcile. So I'll just quickly scan down this list and find my McDonald's bill. And as you can see, it was not on my bank account. Therefore, it is likely that I either paid this on my personal bank account or I paid for cash. So what I instead need to do is go to the bill and pay it that way. So we'll go on to business and bills to pay. In this example, I have paid with cash. What I can then do is within my bills, find the receipt that I'm looking for. And this is the McDonald's one. So this is just the one at the top. And I can open that up by clicking McDonald's. And then I can see my bill. What I need to do is now make the payment. So I'm going to use this bottom section here and write in the relevant information. Now I know that I pay McDonald's full value the second I pay them. So I'm not going to change the amount paid. And the date I paid them was today. So I'm going to choose today's date. And paid from, so this has not been paid from my business bank account, but instead has been paid from cash. Now, if this is business cash, I will have an account set up that has my petty cash float in it. And therefore I could use that account to be paying this against. However, I do not have a petty cash float within here, and therefore any cash that I am spending is my personal cash. Therefore, that needs to go against my owner Lucy Drawings account because that is the one where I am owed money from this account. So I will click on that account and then add payment. And now that is paid out of my bills and no longer outstanding. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.